This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday, the 21st of August. I'm James Spann. Weather not changing too much today. Pretty moist air mass in place. We'll dodge the hit and miss showers and storms this afternoon. We'll check some of the Skycam shots around the network early this morning at the insane hour of 5 o'clock. That's the Tuscaloosa Skycam. The sky there is mostly fair. There's a look at Gadsden in Etowah County, and down south there's the Gulf Shores camera. Things are pretty calm there. Pretty much the same story. The little upper trough is north of us, a good moisture axis across the deep south. And the primary jet stream is in Canada. And an upper low is just west of San Francisco. Still got a flash flood watch for a few counties in central and south Georgia, but other than that, things are pretty quiet around the nation. Severe weather possibilities way up north today. And the rain for the next 5 days. Numbers are coming down. This is valid through Monday morning of next week. Still the heavier totals to the east and south of here, but there's going to be a definite drying trend by the weekend and early next week for the southern states. We've had plenty of rain, as we all know. Tropical weather, how about that? Just quiet. A lot of dry air out there. Tropical storm formation not expected this week. Check the modeling. This is the GFS, the OZ run, valid at 1 o'clock local time this afternoon at 500 millibars. We got an upper high to the east and west, a weakness in here with a trough, and down below that, like yesterday, we'll see scattered showers and storms this afternoon and this evening. Here's the high-res NAM at 1 o'clock today, and soon after that, the radar should be lighting up. Chance of any one spot getting wet today be in the 40 and 50% range. And like recent days, some of the slow-moving storms could drop heavy rain in spots. But the storms will be scattered and random. The high should be in the mid to upper 80s. Really the same thing tomorrow. This is 1 o'clock tomorrow. Few spots getting an afternoon storm. Should be in the upper 80s. And Friday, though, looks drier. Let's take a look at the GFS, and you can see that surface high kind of nosing in from the north. There should be a weak boundary approaching. It's very ill-defined on that map. But still, we're not going to take out the chance of a storm Friday, but drier air could begin to creep in here. It's always kind of hard to tell this time of the year how far south those dry air intrusions can go. But if these models are correct, definitely we're trending drier on Friday. And we might see low 90s. That might be the warmest day of the month, and that's where we ought to be for August. Here's Saturday as we start the weekend. The weather looking relatively dry for the northern half of the state. Again, the high would be at or just over 90. This is Sunday. Moisture tries to come back as the surface high moves east. And understand, on these days, the chance of rain is not zero. It's just hard to do that in August, but we're saying that any shower should be widely spaced. Here's Monday, and you see a dominant upper high that just covers the middle of the nation, Oklahoma and Kansas, and that thing really spreads out. Down below that, we look pretty dry on Monday. The GFS is showing a high of 89, and this is Tuesday. That looks dry, the high upper 80s to 90, and Wednesday looks dry. So if by chance the GFS is right, showers could be very hard to find around here for the first half of next week and probably over the weekend as well. We'll check the end of the forecast. This is September 5th. Higher heights west of here, and that looks pretty typical. Some sun with a chance of scattered showers and storms. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock today. And if you can, catch us on ABC 3340 News this evening on the live stream or the television side at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.